Okay, so I've gone ahead and edited all of my repeaters. And so this is what I've come up with so far. Now, all these buttons have been linked to the page where the products are available. And I'm going to show you how I can link to this page from the home page. So let's go back to the home page, which is over here. And we've got a section here called guitar. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to link the guitar page to that page. So I'm going to click here, link. And then I'm going to select the page. And then under which page, I'm going to select guitar. And then done. Now if anybody clicks on the guitar button, they're going to link straight to that page. So you can double check the work by just clicking preview here in the top right hand corner. And then now I'm going to click guitar. And here we are, assigned to this page. So this is how you can connect buttons to your pages and connect them to each other.